If you've ever wanted to create your own coloring book, whether for kids, adults, gifts, or digital products, you're in the perfect place. Today, I'm walking you through how to make a complete coloring book in Canva step by step using the 2025 tools and layout updates. It's easier than you think, and by the end of this video, you'll have something that's ready to print or sell online. Start by heading to Canva's homepage. In the search bar at the top, type coloring book. Canva will instantly pull up a variety of pre-made templates designed specifically for this purpose. These templates save you a ton of time and give you a strong starting point, even if you've never used Canva before. Take a minute to scroll through the options. You'll see everything from cute and simple kid-friendly pages to detailed stress relief style designs for adults. Choose the style that matches the audience you're creating for. Once you've picked one you like, click the option that says customize this template. Now you're inside the editor, and this is where your creativity comes in. You can replace existing graphics, duplicate pages, or delete anything you don't need. If the template has text you don't want, like a title or instructions, just click it and edit or remove it. Canva gives you controls for fonts, sizes, and layout right in the toolbar. Think about who your coloring book is for as you customize. For children, use bold outlines, fewer details, and fun themes like animals or shapes. For adults, include more intricate patterns, mandalas, florals, or abstract line art. You can even mix pages or add your own drawings by uploading images and converting them to outlines using Canva's tools. As you build your pages, aim for a consistent look so each spread feels like part of a set. When you finish editing, flip through the pages one by one to make sure everything flows, nothing is cut off, and the theme feels cohesive. Once you're satisfied, you're ready to download. You can export as a PDF for printing or save it digitally to share or sell online. And just like that, you've created a fully customized coloring book in Canva from start to finish. If you enjoyed this guide and want more Canva tips, templates, or digital product ideas, make sure you stick around the channel. Thanks for watching and happy designing.